Create sample numpy array with randomly placed NaNs numbers. For testing purposes, I'd like to create a n by n numpy array with C randomly placed NaNs numbers. I am having problems in creating a mask with C true elements, or maybe this can be done with indices directly?
You can use np.random.choice, with the optional replace equals false for random selection without replacement, and use those on a flattened version of A, done with .ravel, like so. Sample run.
You could use np.random.shuffle on a new array to create your mask. Which gives
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.